Hey, what's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video we will talk about how this account right here, I will show it to you really fast, Money Focus with 868,000 followers, how that account makes $30,000 to $40,000 a month. And yeah, I'm super excited for the video and to show you how this account makes money, how I grow the page. Now you can also start your own Instagram theme page, now you can also make money with it, okay? Just for proof and transparency, I'll just jump over to the computer really fast and show you the actual income that comes in just from shoutout deals from Money Focus. In a second I will also explain what shoutout deals means, what that is, how you can make money with it, etc, etc. So this software over here, Bonsai, we started using it, as you can see over here, in October. October was the first month where we started using it. Other payments went for other gateways. So yeah, in here you have like $12,000. That month I think we made like $18,000 to $20,000. But you can see it over here in November we made $18,000 just from shoutout deals with that account, right? Then in December $20,000, in January $23,300, and so far for February we are at $3,500. Last 30 days we can also take a look. You can see it over here. Those are the payments. We have like some $100 payments, like $290 payments. We have $5,600 over here, $400 over here, $2,000, $6,700. Yeah, you can see all that stuff over here. This month so far, that's February, $3,500. We can also do last 90 days if you guys want to have a look. Yeah, this is basically what it looks like. And yeah, I'd say let's talk about how that account makes $20,000 to $25,000 a month just from shoutout deals. And after that I will also show you the other income streams. And yeah, I'd say I will jump over to my phone really fast so that I can actually show you everything. So before we dive into monetization and how making money with this account works, I'd say let's quickly talk about what this account is, how it works, how it grows, etc, etc. And yeah, this account over here is an Instagram page. We call it an Instagram theme page, and the topic of this page is basically business. So as you can see, we have posts on this account about business, like motivational quotes. You can see it over here. Yeah, our own posts, reposts, we have videos, and we can also take a look at the professional dashboard. In the last 30 days we reached 11.3 million unique accounts. We can also go into the insights really fast. I can show you the growth so that you guys have some background information. Yeah, in the last 7 days the account grew 19,000 followers. Currently the growth is at about 3,000 to 5,000 followers per day. Yesterday the account grew 5,000 followers. Today, or like the day before, like 5th of February, today is the 7th, it grew with 3,500 followers. We can also take a look at the last 30 days really fast. You guys can see the growth over here, and yeah, that's basically what the growth looks like. All right, the account has, as I told you, 868,000 followers, and the $20,000 to $25,000 that I just showed you on my computer purely comes from shoutout deals, right? That's the first income stream that we here have on Money Focus. And shoutout deals, what that basically means is, other business owners, right? People who have personal brands, people who have products, people who have a company, what they of course want to do is they want to get more leads, they want to get more customers, and to get more leads, to get more customers, they need attention. Right, and as you saw, this account in the last 30 days alone reached over 11 million unique accounts. Right, with each and every single post that we put out here on this account, we reach hundreds of thousands of people. Right, and other business owners, personal brands, people with products, they want to profit from that, and that's why they pay us here on Money Focus to upload some of their posts. So you can see over here, this post is, for example, a shout out that we did for Richard, right, one of our clients. Right, he's paying us on a monthly basis to shout out his accounts. Right, so this his account. So this post over here points to his Instagram account. He now has 193,000 followers. On his Instagram account, he's putting out content, and also selling his products and services, right? This post, for example, over here, also another client of us is Bashar, right? 1.5 million followers. He's also buying shoutouts on a monthly base on our account. Another client over here, a friend of mine, Ramin, for example, he's also buying shoutouts, right? He bought this post, this is real, and is also paying us on a monthly base. This post over here from Lenny, friend of mine and client, also bought a shoutout, right? And that's basically what shoutouts are, and that's the first way how we monetize this account, Money Focus, over here. And just from shoutout deals, right? This account makes $20,000 to $25,000 a month. I showed you guys the dashboard, right? Just 30 days. Like in the last 30 days, we can take a look at it. Last month, the account made $23,385 from shoutout deals. You can see it over here, and this is just payments that went through PayPal, right? We also have some crypto payments, etc., etc. So it's about $20,000, a little bit more that we made last month alone from this page, just from shoutouts, right? There's a few more income streams that we have, and I will show you those income streams in a second, and how we monetize the page using other ways like affiliate marketing, my own personal brand, etc., etc. But before I do that, I just wanted to quickly talk about, in general, Instagram theme pages and why I think that it's so powerful to start an Instagram theme page and what I really enjoy about the pages, right? So if you in 2022 want to start your own business, I personally think one of the best things that you can do is to start an Instagram theme page. Why? Very simple. First of all, you don't have to show yourself online to grow an Instagram theme page to make money with it. I remember back in the days, like in 2016, when I was taking a look at the ways how I can make money online, I tried to build my own business, etc., etc. I took a look at so many different things like dropshipping, YouTube, affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, Instagram, building a personal brand, online courses, etc., etc. But all of that wasn't for me, because for all of those, like business opportunities, I either had to show myself online, right, which I didn't want to do. I was a shy kid, I never had many friends, and I just, didn't want to show myself online. Second reason why those business opportunities weren't for me was basically because I didn't have my own product, right? And if you build a personal brand, you need your own product to make money with it, right? If you do run Facebook ads, you also need your own product. Or you do affiliate marketing, but then it's not that profitable anymore, etc., right? And the third reason is why those business opportunities weren't for me, because for all of those business opportunities like running Facebook ads, doing dropshipping, doing YouTube, I needed upfront capital, right? And I didn't have any money in my bank account when I first started my entrepreneurial journey. So Instagram theme pages were perfect for me. In 2016, I started my first Instagram theme page. I started growing it. The first 8 months, I struggled. I didn't get any followers. It took me 10 months, 8 months to get the first 10,000 followers, and over 10 months to make the first money. But then once I had a proven blueprint, once I started learning from a mentor, I actually made over $10,971 within 30 days, 10 months after starting my own Instagram account. And that's basically why I think that Instagram theme pages is one of the best ways to start your entrepreneurial journey, because you can do it without showing yourself. You don't need your own product, and you don't need any upfront capital, right? And the cool thing about Instagram theme pages, literally, and this will probably blow some of you guys' mind, is that you can completely automate those pages, right? Money Focus, for example, completely runs on autopilot. Like sometimes I'm not even logged into the account for 3 or 4 months. I only log in when I record YouTube videos like this, or when I do Instagram stories whatsoever, and my team takes care of everything, right? I have one freelancer who creates the content, who uploads the content, right? And I have one guy in the Instagram direct messages who sells the shoutouts and gets a 10% fee. That's how easy it is. And the account runs completely on autopilot and makes $25,000 a month just from shoutout deals, right? The next income stream that we have here on this page, Money Focus, is very simple, right? We do affiliate marketing, right? So if you don't have your own product, don't worry. You can also monetize this account, not just from shoutout, but also from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is, for those of you who don't know what it is, it's basically if you sell someone else's product and get a commission for that, right? So we do affiliate marketing here on this account and sell other people's products and get a commission for that, right? The third way how we monetize this page is basically by selling my own products, right? So I also have a personal brand, Niklas, Pedde, where I basically document my entrepreneurial journey and my life and everything. And I do coaching and consulting. So I help people when it comes to building Instagram theme pages, growing them, monetizing them, also help people build online business, etc., etc. And we have different offers that we sell, right? We, for example, have the Instagram University 3.0. The link for that, for example, here is in the bio for Money Focus. It's like an online program that shows people how they can build a following on Instagram, how they can turn their followers into true fans, and how they can make their first $1,000 with it. It's like €6.95, and just through that, Money Focus makes another $5,000 to $10,000 a month, which is pretty cool, right? And what I also do with these pages, and you can't really track the income when it comes to this way, but what I also do is I send followers. This account I showed you, in the last 30 days it will reach over 10 million unique accounts, or 11 million actually, right? I send the followers from this account, from the business niche, over to my personal brand, Niklas Pedde, and people take a look at my stuff, and at one point they might become a customer, right? You can't really track that, but it's really powerful, and that's why I love Instagram theme pages. And if you want to build your own one in 2022, make sure to do that. It's an amazing business opportunity. You can make so much money with it. Later on, it's so easy to automate, and the cool thing about those theme pages is that they actually have a value, right? Theme pages are kind of like digital real estate. They first of all pay you on a monthly basis, like Money Focus makes $30,000 to $40,000 a month, completely on autopilot. Plus the cool thing is, the page actually has value, right? So the page is probably worth anywhere between $500,000 and $1 million, right? Because just do the math. The page makes $30,000 to $40,000 a month, completely on autopilot, which is, if we just take the number $30,000, that's $360,000 per year. But the account, of course, also grows and makes more money while that. So yeah, this year alone in 2022, it will easily make $500,000, and that's of course also interesting for investors or in general entrepreneurs who want to like have an asset that brings in cash flow each and every single month. So yeah, this page probably worth $500,000 to $1 million, $500,000 to $1 million, and yeah, in the long run the value of course will go up, and while that will still bring in cash flow, bring in money on a monthly basis. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah, I hope this video helped you, showed you how you can monetize your own Instagram theme page. If you want to get started, links are in the description for the Instagram University 3.0 and my one-on-one mentoring. And yeah, the next video that I will record here for this channel is going to be about growth and how you can actually build an Instagram theme page from scratch, step by step. And yeah, I guess that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and yeah, I'd say bye bye.